Ah, the open sea. A vast expanse of beauty, adventure, and, well, let's face it, occasional idiocy. Welcome aboard, folks. Today we're diving into the wild world of boating, where sometimes the only thing smoother than the waves is the captain's lack of common sense.
There are two types of backflips, intentional and unintentional.
Whether it's trying to outsmart the tide or simply forgetting which end of the boat is the front, the sea has a unique way of humbling even the most confident seafarers. But hey, it's not all smooth sailing. Sometimes you've got to embrace the waves, the wind, and the occasional moment of sheer, unadulterated, what were they thinking? This girl just crashed her dad's yacht.
Oh my god!
Ah, the sweet sound of confidence meeting reality.
He's no good operator.
And then there are those brave souls who attempt daring maneuvers.
You okay, bro? Yeah, bud. Okay.
But hey, who hasn't had a moment of boat brain from time to time? It's all part of the adventure. Who would forget this epic clip from over 10 years ago? That was something else. I truly hope she's doing okay.
Oh, shit!
Oh my god, is she okay? Oh my god.
Who doesn't like a show? Don't you think jet skis have a weight limit? Hey, I have an idea. Let's bring the party to my boat. Can someone tell me why this gentleman did what he did? High speed plus choppy waters, not really a great time to get busy.
Questionable decision to stand gave this man the opportunity to cool off into the blue ocean water.
The fish wants to get in on the fun.
When this tuber gets an unexpected companion, it becomes abundantly clear that the tube isn't big enough for the both of them.
Showing off your boat tricks? Make sure to do it right or get stuck. The captain probably watched some Fast and Furious type movies lately.
Holy shit, holy shit.
Oh my god!
Oh, that was like an inch.
Oh no, no!
Nice boat. Nice slide. I still don't understand how collisions happen in the vastness of the ocean. Because, after all, isn't life better when you can laugh at yourself? Welcome to Idiots on Boats, where every wave brings a new adventure and every mishap brings a good story. Let's cast off and see where the tide takes us. Now, picture this. You're coming back to the marina after a day of boating, feeling like a seasoned captain. But as you attempt to dock, well, let's just say it doesn't quite go as planned.
Holy sh... Woo!
Let's make one thing clear. We're all about having fun here, but safety on the water is no joke. So remember to always wear your life jacket and know your limits when you're out there. Thanks for joining us on this hilarious voyage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own boating blunders in the comments below. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.